I thought I'd do a short video on removing the PCM from the 7.3. Here is its location under the hood, and it is to the left or toward the center of the vehicle. Here I have removed both the connector and the shroud around it. It requires one 10mm socket. In this picture, you can see the PCM, and to the left of it is the steering shaft. The first thing you want to do is push the PCM forward, and you can see it here poking into the engine compartment. By doing this, it will allow you to pull the plastic bracket for the PCM down and out of the footwell. In my case, it was pretty tight, and my attempts to remove the AC duct didn't help. So I had to rotate the plastic bracket clockwise if you're facing it and extricate it that way. Once that is done, you can pull the PCM back into the footwell, but at the same time rotating it counterclockwise so that the rear of the PCM winds up going up, and then you pull the PCM down and out it comes.